Hi, my name is Rebecca Zobel-Jones with Herbal Notes, and today we're going to be talking about clear quartz. Clear quartz is an amazing crystal. In the chakra system, some people use it for the crown chakra, but it can be used for all chakras as well. It's sometimes known as the master healer because it amplifies energy as well as thought. You can use it in combination with other crystals to amplify their properties as well. It absorbs, stores, releases, and regulates energy. It's an excellent crystal to have with you. Another big element with the quartz crystal is that it draws off negative energy of all kinds. It neutralizes background radiation, so keeping it near you while you're using electronics is never a bad thing. It balances and revitalizes physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual planes. It's an all-purpose crystal that comes in handy many times. I'm going to show it to you here. I've got two examples. I'm going to try to get those here in the camera so that you can see what they look like. They are a very common crystal that you can find, easily accessible, and definitely one of the first ones to put into your crystal plan, as it is an excellent one to have. Because it does amplify the other crystals, it's also great to use in those crystal grids, as it just makes them even more powerful. Okay, some more properties with the quartz crystal. It cleanses and enhances the organs and stimulates the immune system. So again, it's called a master healer because it does work in many areas of the body, both physical and emotional, as we said, mental and spiritual as well. It balances the body. It acts as a deep soul cleanser. I've heard that it can enhance psychic abilities and aids in concentration and unlocks memory. So it could be a good meditation crystal as well. But I have to tell you, my favorite property with the the clear quartz is that it is quartz that is used to create my favorite healing instrument, the quartz crystal singing bowls. So if you've been following us for a while, you've heard these singing bowls played, and they are a wonderful healing instrument, and it's all because of the properties that are here in these quartz crystals. So how have you used quartz crystals in your practice in the past? For me, as I said, this crystal stays with me as a healing crystal. I've used it in meditation practices, I've used it in self-healing, and in a lot of different areas as it just works so well to enhance everything. It's just giving everything just a little bit of a boost by having that quartz crystal along with you. So feel free to comment below or reach out to me if you have more questions about the quartz crystal. Until next time, as always, namaste.